Today I'm gonna teach you on how to create triangle using for looping. Let's go. First, for loop, for int declare. We're gonna initialize, and after the initialization, first initialize, and then the condition x is equal is if x is less than or equal to 10, and the decrement and increment. Next, for int y is equals to 0. And another for loop, this j is less than or equal to x, and increment by 1. System that out that print and another system that out that print
gilid mo. Pag diagonal lang. Yun, ganda. Diagonal. Yan.
Now that we finish the code, let's try if it runs. Looks like, oh wait, there. Oof. I get, there's no new line here, so we can put ln to make it new line. Charan! And that's how you do a triangle using for loop. Thank you.
So guys, I'm gonna be teaching you how to program a basic Java program. So we're gonna be dealing for the while loop. So we're gonna be first you're gonna do is to open your JCreator first and save and file that run a program. So this is what it looks like. So for the while loop, for as we can start for the while loop, we're gonna put, or we're gonna declare the integer which is x, then terminate. Next is the value of x, which is x is equal to 1, then terminate, which is the initialization is 1. The next step is you're gonna be putting the while loop and then the condition, wherein the condition is x is less than or equal to 10, and then the statement and the statement that will produce under the while loop. So the system out that print ln means new line, so take note of that. Let's copy. So double quote for the string, which is my string is number plus x, then terminate. The next condition is if the condition and the initialization true, then the next condition after that is x is equal to x plus 1, which it is incrementing, or which it is adding by itself when it reaches the condition on the while loop. So let's save and run. Process complete. So this is the output of the program from 1 to 10. So let's explain the condition and another condition inside the while loop. So in the initialization, we declare 1. So the 1 is the start, or the value of x. So we set the while loop. So the condition in the while loop says x is less than or equal to 10. Is x is the value of 1, which is 1 is less than 10, true or false, then it is true. Then the system will print out the string plus the variable and the value of the variable. If the program prints the statement, then it proceeds to another condition, which is x plus 1, which on the first, the value of x is 1. So this is 1 plus 1 is, so now the value of x on the start is 2. Is 2 is less than or equal to 10? So true. So it is less than 10, so it is true, which it's print out the number plus x, then the variable, then it's the value of the variable, then it's proceed to the 2 plus 1, so it is 3, and so forth, and so forth and so far. That's how the program runs. So let's run the program again. And that's it. That's so simple. It prints on how many initialization or condition would play, and that's it. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make an if-else statement. So the first thing you have to do is declare a variable. In this case, I'm gonna use the variable x and put the value 4 inside it. So after that, you put the if statement, then inside the open and close parentheses, you put the condition you want. So in this case, I'm gonna put x modulus 2 is equal to 0. Then the bracket. So this simply means that if x modulus 2 is equal to 0, the system will print or will do the task that is inside the bracket. So in this case, I'm gonna put system.out.print, the number is even. After that, put the else statement, then inside the bracket you put another function you want to do. So in this case, I'm gonna put the number is odd. So this simply means that if x modulus 2 is equal to 0, the system will print the number is even. Or else, if the x modulus 2 is not equal to 0, it will print that the number is odd. So let's try. There. The system printed the number is even because we put the number 4 in the variable x. If we change it to an odd number, number 5, and we run it again, the system will print that the number is odd. So that's how you make an if-else statement. Thank you.